Oh.
It's somewhere close. It's so close over here.
So it's huh.
It's close to the tree. I'm gonna find it. A treasure! Treasure! Over here!
All right. Now, Rocco, it's very important here. This is a treasure where you got to do a good job with instructions. So stay back here.
All right.
Up, Mia, stay back here.
Yeah.
So you know what this treasure is?
What?
It is what do you think it is?
A rocket!
Yeah.
Here, Dad, can I take
Sure.
Rocket!
you want video now?
Yeah, it's rolling video.
This is the best thing ever.
All right, Rocco, come here.
Here, Mia. I get the press button.
Yep, I'm gonna push this in, right? Don't do it until I say go. When I don't press
Go
it,
back.
Oh, wait.
keep your hands up
I
there.
think we're okay this far back.
Okay, guys, we're going to do the countdown.
Okay.
10, 9,
9,
8,
7,
7,
6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off. Oh, my God!
Wow.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, my gosh!
Did you see that?
Yeah. Whoops. Everyone made it safe.
That worked?
Whoa.
No.
Look
No.
at all the smoke.
Oh, man.
Rocco, look at me.
Oh, it made
Did you
a
get it, Rick?
blast mark.
In the back, yeah.
It made a blast mark.
Oh, my gosh.
Well, you should say there was a second one, right?
Yeah.
I think with a win, we'll keep an eye for. How do you turn this?
What's that?
How do you turn it off?
Oh, man.
Oh, wait. There's a clue in that bag.